Well, I don't know why I'm shooting this video for, you know, why I'm filming, why the hell am I doing it? Do anybody know? Alright. So, I mean, the only thing that is missing in my life is a woman, you know. But my oldest brother, he get all the girls, but he get trashy females, you know. Punk ass, sneak them tramps in his house while my mom was sleeping, you know. What a loser. He always picked them trashy women from from out a club, you know. Yeah, I choose decent women, you know. Sometimes I attract arrogant women like that, you know. So, and then this fat slob, whatever the hell his name is, talking about I'm hating on my brother, hating on him, hating on a loser like that, you know or something. He was a dumbass for saying something like that, you know. He fat and bald head, you know. He ugly as hell, but I don't know if y'all see him or not. He fat and ugly and stuff like that, you know. He gained too much weight. He overweight, you know. Well, I'm not making fun of his weight or whatever. I'm just saying he's a dumbass for taking up for a loser, you know. Talking about I'm hating on him, you know. What a loser, you know. Anybody take up for somebody like that is a loser, okay. And then this fool named L, you know. He a good rapper though, but he a jackass too. You hear me? He an asshole just like him. They can have each other, you know. So, but they gonna come in my damn house and trash my fucking house, you know. But I'm not gonna say what the hell they was doing with trashing hoes in this house, you know. Like I said, I deal with decent women. You hear me? Yep. Yeah. Deal with singers and stuff like that, you know. So I don't know if y'all heard of this girl Diamond, you know. Unless y'all watched a video with this rapper and some girl named Diamond, you know. She go by the name Diamond, but her real name is Dominique Henry. Okay. I don't know if y'all gonna never see her, you know, on my show. Let's hope y'all do. All right. That's it. Ta-ta.